Welcome, seekers of the eternal, to a sacred journey into the heart of Chapter 9 of the Tao Te Ching. A wise refrain from the soul of Lao Tzu that echoes like a soft chime through the stillness of time. Imagine standing at the edge of a golden field, where the harvest bends with grace, and every whisper of wind invites you to release excess and find balance. This is no ordinary moment. This is your call to embrace the profound wisdom that Lao Tzu shares today. For over 2 millennia, these words have reached out to the overburdened, the striving, the seeking. Will you open your heart to their gentle guidance? Join me now as we explore the deep wisdom of Chapter 9, a 15-minute odyssey into moderation, humility, and the serene return within. Subscribe to Lao Tzu Speaks, where the ancient truths meet the eternal peace, and let this journey renew your spirit. Breathe deeply. Dear friends, for we stand at the threshold of a truth that steadies the restless heart. Lao Tzu speaks to us from a world fractured by the warring states, a time of greed and excess. Yet he offers a path of equilibrium, the way of knowing when to stop. He begins, stretch a bow to the very full, and you will wish you had stopped in time. Picture an archer, pulling the string taut, risking its snap if pushed too far. This is a spiritual metaphor, a call to recognize the danger of overreaching. Lao Tzu invites us to see that true strength lies in restraint. A wake-up call to pause before we break under the weight of our ambitions, urging us to find peace in moderation. Let your soul calm as we journey further. Temper a sword edge to its very sharpest, and the edge will not last long. Consider a blade honed to perfection, its sharpness fleeting if overworked. The Tao teaches us that excess erodes what we value most: our energy, our relationships, our peace. This is the logic of the divine, a wisdom that challenges our pursuit of extremes. Lao Tzu urges us to cherish the sustainable, the balanced. Imagine a garden tended with care, its blooms lasting because they are not forced. Such is the Tao, a force that thrives in harmony, a spiritual invitation to preserve what endures. Pause with me and let this wisdom flow into your being. When gold and jade fill your hall, you will not be able to keep them safe. Envision a treasure room, its riches attracting thieves and worry. The Tao warns that hoarding brings vulnerability, not security. This is not a rejection of wealth, but a call to hold it lightly, to find richness in simplicity. Picture a humble home, its peace undisturbed by greed. Such is the Tao's gift, a tranquility that grows when we let go of excess, a life unburdened by the need to guard. Now, feel the rhythm of this teaching as it guides us deeper. When your work is done, retire. This is the way of heaven. This is a spiritual promise, a guide for living in rhythm with the Tao. To complete a task and step back is to mirror the cycles of nature. Day turns to night, effort yields to rest. Lao Tzu teaches that clinging to achievement invites exhaustion, while retreat brings renewal. Think of a farmer harvesting his crop and then resting, his land thriving because of the pause. Such is the sage's way, a dance with the eternal that restores the soul. Let us now embrace the practical beauty of this wisdom. In a world of endless pursuit and accumulation, Lao Tzu offers a path to serenity. Begin each day by setting limits. Work diligently. Then step away to rest. Give without overloading yourself and feel your spirit lighten. When success tempts you to overreach, pause like the archer, choosing balance over strain. This is the art of Wu Wei, the effortless flow with the Tao. Like a river resting in its banks, moving with ease. Each step in this spirit is a prayer, a return to the source of all harmony. As we journey inward, consider the deeper mystery. Pride brings loss, and excess invites failure. The Tao reveals that overstepping our bounds, whether in pride or possession, leads to downfall. Lao Tzu invites us to emulate its humility, to act with measure. Imagine a tree bending in the wind, its flexibility saving it from breaking. Such is the sage's path. This is the logic of the soul to release arrogance, to trust the natural limit, and in that trust, to find lasting peace. Now, let your spirit rise with this vision. The Tao's moderation is its strength, its humility its glory. In our age of overindulgence and pride, Lao Tzu calls us back to simplicity. Be still, he whispers, and let your life align with the way of heaven. This is the ultimate gift, a life unburdened by excess, a heart aligned with the eternal. Picture a quiet field at dusk, its harvest complete, every stalk at rest. Such is you, when you live with the Tao's grace, balanced yet fulfilled. As we near the end of this sacred 15 minutes, feel the depth of these words settle into your essence. Chapter 9 is a refuge for the overtaxed heart, a guide for the soul lost in striving. It teaches us that true strength lies in moderation, true security in humility, true wisdom in retreat. Carry this light into your day. Let it guide your actions, ease your burdens, and open your eyes to the peace within. Subscribe to Lotus Speaks, where every video is a step toward the eternal, and join a community of souls awakening to the Tao. May you walk this path with peace, and may the timeless flow of Lao Tzu's teachings illuminate your every step.